Now, if you're one of the many people working from home at the moment, the chances are your car is parked up and going nowhere most of the week. So, a company which usually enables holidaymakers to rent out their cars when they fly from Gatwick Airport has adapted, and instead it's matching idle vehicles with key workers and charities so they can make essential deliveries free of charge. Marcella Whittingdale has been to meet some of those benefiting from the scheme.
So we supported people who are really in poverty, and since the outbreak, we've just seen a huge increase in numbers.
They had to close their doors because of coronavirus. Now this Brighton-based community centre is making deliveries with a difference. These supplies are going out in a car loaned out for free by its owner.
We saw this on social media, and our car's been sitting on the street for weeks now, and we thought, well, this is a great idea. Gives people something at a time of need. It gives them a tool that they wouldn't necessarily have, and why not?
So rather than having someone collect food, they had to distribute the food. We thought, God, we can really help here, because if we can give them transportation, we can put that system in and around Brighton, we can surely help people to get services, food, hygiene, NHS professionals to and from where they need to get to right now.
Roughly 20 people have already signed up to loan out their cars. Those behind the scheme say ideally they'd have 500 vehicles that could be used by people like healthcare workers and NHS volunteers, or for essential deliveries like these.
When you speak to people on the phone, it's really clear that people haven't left the house in weeks. They might not have even spoken to anyone, especially if they don't have internet access. You're really isolated. So yeah, services like ours are a massive lifeline to them in this community.
Deliveries are going to people like 88-year-old Barbara, who has Parkinson's.
There's a bar of chocolate, which is really good, and useful things, as pastas, vegetables, and long-life little cartons of milk. It's really useful.
Every car donated is fully insured and cleaned before and after it's loaned, and every one means help for those who need it most. Marcella Whittingdale, BBC South East Today, Brighton.